Are you struggling with access denied errors while trying to create a new database in MySQL? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this frustrating issue together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you think you have everything set up correctly, only to be met with an access denied message. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall. Here's the situation. A user wants to create a new database in MySQL while logged in as the root user. They have set a password for the root user, but when they try to create a database, they receive an access denied error. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what could be causing this access denied error? Even though the user is logged in as root, there might be some privileges missing or a misconfiguration in the MySQL setup. Let's explore this further. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to fix this issue, but also gain insights into managing MySQL permissions effectively. To resolve the access denied issue, the user should first check the privileges assigned to the root user. This can be done by running a specific command in the MySQL shell. Next, the user should ensure that the root user has the necessary privileges to create databases. If the privileges are not sufficient, they may need to grant the required permissions. After adjusting the privileges, the user should flush the privileges to ensure that MySQL recognizes the changes. This is an important step to apply the new permissions. Finally, the user can attempt to create the database again. This time, they should have the necessary permissions to do so without encountering an access denied error. Fun fact. Did you know that MySQL was originally developed by a Swedish company? It's come a long way since then, but access denied errors still seem to be a universal issue. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests checking your user privileges. Make sure to specify the host as localhost, the user as root, and include your password. You can grant all privileges to the root user with the command grant all privileges on to root @sent identified by password. Additionally, you can set privileges for a specific user by using a command like grant all on people to root @localhost identified by password. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution provided by another user involves starting MySQL in safe mode to regain privileges. First, stop the MySQL service. Then run the command mysqld safe skip grant tables. After that, log in using mysql-u-root-p and enter your password. Once logged in, switch to the MySQL database by typing use MySQL. Finally, update the privileges in the MySQL user table and execute flush privileges. This method successfully resolved their access issue. Here's a pro tip. Always double-check your user privileges after making changes. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to create your database without any issues. Remember, managing user privileges is key to a smooth experience in MySQL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips.